Mommy is just so sick and tired of wearing panties.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of psychology, specifically exploring some interesting facts about women and a unique aspect of their thought processes. Buckle up as we unravel the great weakness of a woman during thought. Before we delve into the main topic, let's touch upon some captivating psychology facts about women. Understanding the intricacies of the female mind can be both enlightening and empowering. Quick facts about women's multitasking abilities, emotional intelligence, and cognitive flexibility. Women are often celebrated for their exceptional multitasking abilities, high emotional intelligence, and cognitive flexibility. These qualities contribute to their unique approach to problem-solving and decision-making. The great weakness. During thought now, let's get to the heart of the matter. The great weakness of a woman during thought. It's important to note that the term weakness is used here not in a negative sense, but to highlight a specific aspect of cognitive processing that distinguishes women's thought patterns. Research suggests that women, on average, tend to engage in more holistic and interconnected thinking. This means they often consider multiple factors and nuances simultaneously when processing information or making decisions. Holistic thinking in women can be a powerful asset, allowing them to see the bigger picture, empathize with different perspectives, and make well-rounded decisions. However, it also comes with what some might perceive as a weakness. During deep contemplation or decision-making, women may face challenges in compartmentalizing thoughts. This can sometimes lead to emotional involvement and a prolonged decision-making process, which some might interpret as a weakness. Another aspect contributing to the great weakness is the emotional involvement that often accompanies women's thought processes. Emotions can play a significant role in decision-making, leading to a more empathetic and compassionate approach, but potentially hindering objective analysis. Studies suggest that women tend to exhibit higher levels of emotional intelligence, which involves the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own emotions, as well as empathize with the emotions of others. This heightened emotional intelligence often translates into a more empathetic and compassionate approach to various situations. On the positive side, this emotional involvement allows women to connect deeply with others, fostering meaningful relationships and creating a supportive social environment. It also contributes to a heightened sensitivity to the needs and feelings of those around them. However, this emotional involvement can be a double-edged sword, especially when it comes to decision-making that requires a high degree of objectivity. The strong emotional connection to a situation or individual may cloud judgment and hinder the ability to maintain a purely analytical perspective. For example, in professional settings, women might find it challenging to separate personal emotions from the task at hand, potentially impacting their ability to make purely objective decisions. While empathy is a valuable trait, finding the right balance between emotional involvement and detached analysis becomes crucial. In essence, the emotional involvement that accompanies women's thought processes can be both a strength and a challenge. Striking a balance between empathy and objectivity is a continuous journey, and it requires conscious awareness of how emotions may influence the decision-making process. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of psychology, it's important to appreciate the complexity of thought processes and recognize that what may be perceived as a weakness in one context can be a strength in another. Embracing diversity in cognitive approaches contributes to a richer tapestry of perspectives and ultimately leads to more comprehensive and nuanced decision-making. According to Marcus Aurelius, wisdom is not bound by gender. Women, just like men, have the capacity for profound insights and intellectual depth. He believed in the importance of cultivating a rational mind and the pursuit of knowledge, virtues that transcend gender boundaries. Courage, a virtue highly revered by the Stoics, is not exclusive to men. Marcus Aurelius recognized the strength and resilience of women in the face of challenges. Whether it's in the realm of personal struggles or societal expectations, women, in his eyes, embody the spirit of courage. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the great weakness during thought. If you have thoughts or experiences to share on this topic, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the intricacies of the human mind.